I am ready.
I am ready.
I am prepared.
I am prepared.
I am serious.
I am serious.
I am upward bound.
I am upward bound.
Jim Supreme, Jim Supreme, Jim Supreme, Jim Supreme, Jim Supreme.
I don't wanna go to the moment. I don't wanna see that dawn. I don't wanna fall into it.
I'm running out of time, don't know what to decide. I don't wanna leave here without you by my side. I got so many options, but you're still on my mind. I wanna be with you, but you left me behind. I don't wanna leave you here tonight, so can you please not leave my side?
Running track and field, I run miles all day. Shout out upper bound, we had fun today. Running back and forth like I do all day.
All I know, life can be a trip. People make mistakes, learn to live your life. Fall into it deeper, always keep in mind, you always need a grind.
Can't even eat, cause my mind even need. Tryna go to sleep and counting sheep. Props to Upward Bound though for believing in me.
Have you ever connected your soul to your spirit? Love your spirit, make you whole, feel your home.
I don't know where I'm going, or if I run out of time, yeah. God give me direction and God give me a sign. When do I give up and when should I keep going? Lord, I'm giving it my all, but the results ain't showing.
Under the stars, the world feels smaller, lost in the glow of your moonlight eyes.
Girl, you so fine. Come on, just be mine. You're more than a dime. Use a dollar and a flower.
Deciding what I wanna do, not sure of what I wanna be. They help guide me to what I want, my future's coming clear to see.
I wish I had time, my grades are on the line. Not my best work, but it's fine.
What motivates me is the peeps around me. The clock ticks, pressure kicks, I'm losing and failing. In the end, I know I'm trying, keep going for those. The peeps around me,
Questions about the future, will I ever achieve it? I don't know, man, it's tough. I know I just gotta believe it. Can't understand this right now, I'm so lost, I'm losing my purpose. The man above is king, just know I'll always be seen.
Life ain't complex, as simple as 1 + 1. Make a choice and get it done. But life ain't easy, harder than chess. It ain't breezy, trying to be better than the rest. All this calculus making me go crazy, I'm getting lazy. Still smiling though, going upward, going forward.
Taking pictures of the world, one step at a time. When my friends perform, I can see the passion in their eyes. When my friends inspired me to do photography, they are so cool, performing right in front of me.
Eyes on me, I can't slow down. Every step I take, people trying to turn me down. They say I'm strong, I've got to prove. But what if I got nothing to use? Straight A's, gold stars, I played a part, but no one sees the heavy heart. They say I'm built to stand up tall, but what if I just wanna fall? Everyone expects me to be the best, but is my best really enough? Guide success, the weight of the world, carrying it all, but I'm just a girl.
Upward, never downward, make it forward, gotta make it out. Different reasons, different seasons, making me believe in. Is it meant to be or it's just appeasing? Got me sneezing, squeezing, barely breathing, but I got a reason.
I ain't scared, faith in motion, letting go, tides in the ocean, putting it on black. This might cause a heart attack.
up. Every step I take feels like I'm stuck. I look ahead, but the path's unclear. Got a lot of dreams, but I keep fighting the fear.
I don't know where I'm going, but I'ma get there. Maps are so confusing, the lines they disappear. Backpack full of dreams, and a head full of fears. Life is like a canvas, it's blank and unclear. But the clock is ticking faster, and with every passing year, the weight of expectations keep whispering in my ear. When all felt so lost, and nothing seemed clear, Upward Bound has shown me that I could conquer every tear.
We can't thank Ms. Rowley enough. We can't thank the Upward Bound program enough, the staff. You guys have all been amazing. We don't really give out a lot of shirts, but we do have one more and one to give it to Ms. Rowley. So I don't remember some more.
Ms. Rowena said, everyone, I think I told you guys a couple months ago that I'm here till April 1st, so I actually leave back stateside April 1st. So this may be the last time I see you guys for quite some time until I come back to Guam. If there's anything you took from me, just remember, personable, passionate, and proactive. If you do those three things, I promise you it'll take you far, okay? Once again, I'm really gonna miss y'all. I've enjoyed my time on Guam. Y'all really have a nice, soft place in my heart, man. And I greatly appreciate y'all. Y'all gonna do great, all right?